Alright you guys, so on today's video we are doing a POV drive. This is episode number 7. So I want to thank everybody for the support, for sharing the video, and we are going to get on this drive, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like this video. We already made like 6 videos on this channel. So if you like car content, you like POV drives, this is your channel. I know that on the previous video we talked about going to Miller Motors to go check out hypercars and supercars, but I couldn't get to it, guys. So for tonight we're just gonna do a POV drive. Right now it's pretty cold outside. It's like 45 degrees, and thanks my guy. How's it going? Alright, so like I said, you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome everybody. I do want to tell you guys that I am running a website. It's called Techtronix.com. If you guys are gamers, content creators, or stock traders even, I build PCs for anybody. I can build it for you. So click the link down below, or comment down below, and I can share the link with you guys. And yeah, we're gonna get some nice clips, guys. I don't know if you guys like night drives more than comment down below and let me know. All right guys, so let's go for that drive. Alright guys, so on this video I put the DJI mic in the back, and so you guys are going to hear the exhaust a little bit better. So yeah, I hope everyone is doing good. Happy Sunday. And God bless everybody. So yeah, you guys, on the previous video, I told you that I was gonna Miller Motors to go check out the cars, but I couldn't. So on the next video, which will be hopefully next Saturday, we can go check out the McLaren dealership and Miller Motors, so you guys can see something different from the channel, and it's not just me driving, you know. I am I'm really looking forward to that. Looks like there's traffic. I think there's a bottle behind it. Oh yeah. My protein shake bottle. I've been posting on TikTok so I can get some viewership from the TikTok itself, and it's been great. You guys seem to be really interested in these kinds of videos. As I'm viewing the analytics on YouTube, the retention isn't that great right now, so I gotta figure out different things to do with the channel. Whether it'll be like modifying the car, just making short videos, or me fixing the car, or me doing something like that. I think that's what I'm going to do next. But what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to gain experience behind the camera, and I'm trying to find ways to I don't know, just like learn how to vlog and how to do this and that, you know. So for right now, it is good for me. Turn that heater off. But yeah, for now I'm just trying to get used to the camera and just talking through a camera, you know, because this is not like a normal thing, you know. So it's really dark in this area right now. High beams on later, but so we can do a nice pull. It really gets you. See if this Honda wants to race. Maybe not. Get comfortable behind the camera, and yeah, maybe one of these days I'll switch up the whole dynamic or the way I make videos. Maybe I'll just put a camera up to my face and just start recording like that. So yeah, going back to doing the oil change on the car. It is time. It's already been 4,000 miles, I think, 3,000, 4,000. I do it every 3,000 just to keep the engine pretty healthy. So yeah. guys can see, it's pretty dark around this area. Oops. Ooh, there's some old cars right there. That's an S5 right there. So yeah. Alright, so yeah guys, this car is loving the cold air right now. I feel a little bit, I feel the difference a little bit more because yeah, it's taking in all the cold air, and yeah, all cars love that, but this one is supercharged and it gets really hot sometimes, and yeah, it's awesome. If you have a passion for cars and you want something reliable, the Audi S4 from 2014 and up is the best option. I have the 2012, but I don't recommend it. I don't recommend you guys get this car because it's very expensive to maintain when it comes to buying new parts or even the maintenance. Like the oil changes on this car, because I do liquid moly, the oil changes are like $100 almost, you know. Even though I buy from FCP Euro, it's still pretty expensive. I had a discount from the last time I bought at FCP Euro, and the oil went down to like $85. And that only comes with the oil filter. It comes with the whole kit: the oil filter, the bolt, and the the 7 quarts of oil that you need for this car. But yeah, that's one of the cheapest things for this car. But maintenance for a car like this has gotta be done. If you buy one that's around 100,000 miles, you need to do suspension work, the timing chain. You need to do the catalytic converters. Mine were bad, so I had to replace them. So that was not cheap at all to replace the cats. And now what I want to do is I want to get I want to get gutted pipes or high flow cats, just so I can tune the car next year and get the pops and bangs. But yeah, it can get pretty pricey, guys. So I would say suspension is around $1,000 if you want to get a good suspension. Like if you want to get OEM plus, like Bilstein suspension, that's what I want to do. But also I'm looking at coilovers because I'm looking to take the car to the track next year, to Lime Rock, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff you got to do if you guys get a car with 100,000 miles, maintenance wise. So keep that in mind. The reason I'm saying buy a later model, like a 2016 or a 2014, even a 2014 or 2016, is because you have to, it's a newer car. The car is more refined, and it's from the factory. It's a little bit better because the B8 and B8 and a half, there are differences between the B8 and the B8 and a half S4s. Right now I have the B8, which has the transmission problems, but so far so good for mine. I haven't had any issues. All you gotta do is the maintenance every 30,000 miles, or do it earlier. Do it at like 20,000 miles, where you gotta go and change the fluid, the DSG fluid, and yeah, you'll be fine. Switch lanes over here. There's a lot of traffic because I guess everyone's trying to go back home. Today is Sunday, 6 p.m. 6:30 p.m. and everyone has to go to work tomorrow, so yeah. the mall right there. The mall is pretty big. But for now, let's just go to the Audi dealership. See what they have on the lot. Give you guys some inspiration as to what you guys can acquire in the future. There's a Nissan Infiniti, and there's Porsche, beautiful Porsche, and there's Audi. I don't know if the mic turned off. Hopefully it didn't. So we have an old school Porsche right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. There's a nice dealership right there. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about that car. That is a classic. And look at this one. I think that's an electric one. That's really nice. And there's a GT4 over there. Wow. But I think this is a Cayenne. Beautiful Nardo gray with the black accents everywhere. And that Porsche has all of the champagne wheels. It's got that purple color, I don't know, that viola, something like that, with the yellow calipers and yellow accents on the inside. Beautiful car. We're gonna walk around the lot. They got security cameras right there. A Carrera 4. Look at that. I believe that's a customer's car. A Carrera. Beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the SQ8. This is what the Lamborghini truck is. So it's got the same V8 motor. Look at this one. This one is nice. Wow. And then there's a RS5 right there. All right, guys. Let's continue. Let's carry on with the video. Something for you guys to see. Beautiful. I don't know if they have that Lambo still. But yeah guys, hopefully nothing goes wrong here, because I could get blamed for things if they decide to look at cameras and stuff. But we're just checking out cars. Ooh, wow, it's a nice. Let that supercharger. Guys, I can't wait till I tune this car. It's gonna be pretty nice. It's gonna be pretty exciting. Hopefully I can get the pops and bangs. I'll make this car a little bit more exciting to drive. So where to now? I don't know. I think we're just gonna go straight. Let me give you guys a pull over here. Yeah, buddy. super dark. It's 6 p.m. guys. Oh, all right, 6:51 guys. It shouldn't be this dark outside, but all right guys, so I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Gonna get to that BMW dealership. And then I'll end it there, you guys. Once again, thank you guys for watching and for liking the videos. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications, so when I upload a video, you guys can get my videos. So I remember 2 weeks ago we had 2 blue M2s. There's a new Nardo Gray M2 right here. There's 2 new ones, or I think these are the same ones, aren't they? I don't know. Oh wow, look at that M3. Look at that, you guys. This car has the laser lights. It's an M3. Very nice car. I think it has the carbon buckets, but this is like dream car right here, or the next car. But we got the carbon buckets right there. You guys can't see it because the windows are tinted. It's got the carbon roof, and I think it's the fully loaded one because it even has the nice display. This is not the 2024 though. I think it's the 2021, but she's still sitting nice. She looks mean. But yeah, is this a car you guys would like to see in the channel? I think I would like to see it too, but yeah, for that I need you guys to continue subscribing and liking the videos, so that one day we can get to that. And let's go ahead and check out the M2s. I think there's another delivery here. This M2 is a manual. This is M240. This is another M2. I think it's the same one we saw weeks ago. But look at that. The car's a little ugly, but it grows on you. It's not bad, guys. If you guys are interested in BMWs, come to the this is a Danbury dealership, the BMW dealership, and you guys can get your M2s. They have 2 available right now. These are manual, so yeah, come and pick them up. But anyways, the mic is still holding up. It's really nice. That's good. I like the magnet on that thing. I'm gonna close the video here. Like I said again, thank you guys for watching and viewing. Please turn on the post notifications on, so when I record the next video and post it, you guys can get the notifications. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Peace out and God bless you guys.